In this video, I'm going to show you an easier way to trade meme coins and catch those 10x to 100x meme coins very early. Trading meme coins can be complicated sometimes, especially when you're new to it and you don't know how to do your research by yourself or using some of these platforms. Now, the platform I'm going to use in this video makes it very easy to trade meme coins, and it allows you to trade meme coins without paying gas fee. And this platform is called Dextoro. Some persons call it the Robin Hood of meme coins. If you want to get started with trading meme coins with this platform, then use the link in the description to sign up right away. I'm actually using my iPhone to install this app. Once you click on the link on the platform, it opens up like this. And next, you need to install the app. You can see that App Store actually opened instantly. And I'm just going to click on the install app right here. Next, I'm going to open the app. And this is how it shows up. So I'm just going to click on next, and next, allow. So when it shows up unsupported region, don't worry about it, just click on OK. It's not a problem at all. So click on next and then click on register and sign in. And now you can get started. Once you put in your email and password, you can get started trading meme coins right away. So this is the home page of it. And over here, you can see the top gainers right here. We have XBT, which is up 233%. You can 243%. You can see it right here. You can click on max and look at the chart and daily and all of that. You can look at every details, market cap, volume, holders, circulating supply, the time it was created, and some information about it right here. And if you actually like the coin, you can just click on buy and buy it right away. But let me first of all show you how can you actually deposit money on this platform before I will show you other coins right here. It is simple. You click on assets and click on deposit, and right here you can see your USDC address, Solana USDC address. So you send USDC using Solana. You can also click on this crypto right here, and they have other options: Apple Pay, bank transfer, credit and debit card, and other ones that are coming very soon. For now, you can only deposit using USDC. Right, so on back to the home section, let's look at the trading section right here, where we can find a couple of coins. So for this, you can just slide to see top gainers, coins that have gained the highest in past 24 hours. But for the trading section, you can see the Trump coin, Fat coin, WETH, JLP. You can see a lot of coins, even Gore, which is one recent coin that was created. It moved up to like 50 million, up to 52 million, and now it's down to $29 million market cap. So you can check out any of your choice. Aura, which is one coin that have been doing really well recently, and a lot more coins you can look at right here. Now, the good thing about this is these guys do not just list random meme coins. They basically do their research properly before listing any of the meme coin on this platform. But that's not a guarantee that the meme coin is not going to go to zero or something. But one thing I know is they focus on quality over quantity, and that is why you won't find all the meme coins, because most of the meme coins, do not stand the test of time. Some of them within like the next 1 week or thereabout, they've actually crashed to zero. But you can see most of the ones they have listed, they are the ones that have stood the test of time. So if you are looking out to invest in some of the meme coins right here, I personally think you're actually investing in coins that have been a little bit researched than the ones that you have to start researching by yourself from the very beginning. So let's pick out the coin of our choice and let's buy right away. I would like to buy this coin called Hosiku. It's a cat meme coin actually. I'm just going to click on buy, and let me just throw in $500 into it, and I'll just click on swipe to buy. But you can see right here the fees you're paying is $5. Now when you compare the fees with Phantom wallet, Phantom actually charges almost similar amount for this amount you're buying. And you guys in other bots like Axiom, Bongbot, Pepper Boost, these guys actually charge 1% on buy and 1% of sell, which is almost equivalent to this particular one. But the good thing about this is you're not going to have issues with slippage and all of that. I might even cut your money the more. So I'm just going to click on swipe to buy. Okay, so you can see right now I have bought it. So if I want to see the coins I'm holding, I'll just click on assets, and over here you can see I'm holding $515 worth of DTR and then $595 worth of Hosiku. Now, one interesting thing their CEO pointed recently was for those that are holding DTR, that is the token of this platform, you're actually going to get reduced fee. So you don't pay up to the 1% fee. I probably guess you're paying let's say 50% lesser fees compared to other person. And this is actually favorable to guys that are buying meme coins in large quantity. I'm talking about people that spend, let's say, up to $50,000 or $100,000 buying meme coins. Buying on Dextoro will make it quite cheaper for you to actually buy. And that is why I think people are going to pivot into using Dextoro over using some of these bots you actually know. And that is why it is super early for you to join in on the movement right away if you actually want to start trading meme coins and making money for yourself. Alright, next, let's look at their utility coin called DTR and why it might be a very good reason to start buying this coin right now. First off, this coin was created from the Believe app, and this is the coin right here. It's currently sitting at $1.4 million market cap. So when it launched, it had this first beautiful run to almost $9 million, and since then it has been in a downtrend. But what you will notice is this downtrend actually provides you with the best opportunities to buy coins at the best entry point. Now, if you look at this coin right there, this area looks like kind of like a support for it, because right here it had this retracement and it started going up, and it came back to the same region, which is somewhere around 800k region, and then it started going up instantly again. Now, the upside of this coin looks absolutely great, because imagine buying from here before it gets back to the all-time high. You've probably made between 6 to 7x already before it gets back to the all-time high. And why do I think this is going to go back higher? Well, first, this is a revenue generating company. You see, when I was trying to purchase that coin, I actually paid some fees, right? Now, that fees I actually paid is one of the revenue this company generates. So imagine when they have a lot more users, it simply means their revenue is going to increase, right? Now, for the fact that this coin was also created on the Believe app, it simply means when people actually buy and sell these coins, they make money from the fees, right? And when people buy and trade this coin on Meteora, they actually receive fees. Now, this is the second way they actually generate revenue. When you add these two ways together, you can see that this is absolutely very big. And one thing I like about the team is they've been very, very transparent with how much they generated as revenue. I'm going to give an example with going to DeFi Llama. So on DeFi Llama right here, you can see at the moment, annualized fee is $86,000. This is simply the fees that you generated when you're trading using the Dextoro app on your phone, right? Now, annualized fee is at $86,000, which this is basically calculated based on an average of this multiplied by 1 year. But you know, the more users these guys actually have, the more revenue they actually generate. And you can see at some point they actually generated somewhere around $1,700 in revenue. This number might seem very, very small right now, but imagine when these guys start having active 20,000, 30,000, 100,000 users. This number is going to be very, very crazy. It could go a lot higher. So with the fees they actually generate, you can see right here, they're having buyback and bond. As a matter of fact, this is the third buyback and bond. So they bought $5,000 worth of USDC, which is 20% of what they've actually generated. So they invested 20% of it to buy back their token and actually bond it. And you can see it right here. You can see when they did the look at when they did it. You can actually track it yourself to see that they actually bought this token and bought it. Again, this is in the early phase of it. So imagine when they keep generating more revenue, they buy back DTR and then bond it. You're going to smile that you actually purchase this token in the early stage of it right now before it actually starts exploding. So this is one of my major theses why I think the DTR token is going to move up. And the team are actually docs, meaning their faces are outside. You can see them, they can actually interact with them, and they're very responsive on social media platforms, which is one thing I like about them. Now, this is not a financial advice. Make sure to do your research very well. If you want to buy the DTR token, you can buy it anywhere, just like the normal way you trade your Solana Memecoins. If you choose to buy it on the Dextoro app, which is their app, it is absolutely very fine also. And don't forget to sign up with my link in the description. And the final thing I would like to talk about in this video is a comparison between other bots and Dextoro bots, but that is going to be in another video. And if you want me to make another video about that, then go to the comment section and write make another video about it. If I get a lot of comments, I'll make another video about it. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like this video right now, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.